Hey guys, it's Goofy Gaming 65 here, and welcome back to another video. And this time, I've been noticing that I'm always upstairs, and I'm either upstairs or outside. But yeah, I'm about to change it now, cause I'm downstairs. Woo! So this is gonna be a video of showing like the lower part of my house. So, yeah, get ready for that. And yeah, let's go. So, this is my kitchen. This is like the sink, dining table. This is the stove, and like this is the main kitchen, well, whatever you call it. And if you're wondering why I'm talking quietly, it's because it's 8:45 and everyone's sleeping, even my brother. So, yeah, this is the fridge. Oh, and actually, okay. Yes, I love these. You guys have to try these. These things are like amazing. You're gonna want it. Like, yeah, I'll have this soon. But yeah, that's my kitchen. This is my laundry thing. So yeah. So, what's next? This is the washroom. I don't think I need to show you guys that. This is a TV, flat screen TV. It's actually pretty cool, I guess. This is the junk table where I just throw my junk. Like, look how messy it is. That's my brother's agenda. This is like an invitation from a base house. What the hell? Did you guys just hear that? What the hell? What the heck? I'm not joking. Did you guys hear that? It was like a really loud. It's like a rock was thrown at a window. Dude, what the heck? Is anyone outside? No, there's no one outside. Well, anyways. So these are my sofas, sofas. And if you're wondering why it's all like crunched up and everything, it's because I got this when I was like 6 years old. When I was a kid, me and my brother used to always jump on these, and now they're all like broken, so yeah. And dude, I'm actually scared to go outside. But dude, guys, if you hear that, like, tell me in the comments below, cause yeah. But anyways, this is my closet, and now Dolly's upstairs. I'll go there in a bit. Dude, actually though, I don't want to go outside. I really want to show you my backyard, but I don't want to go outside. I guess I can do it from the window. You know what, you gotta be a man, but oh shit. Sorry guys for the language, but just, so, you know what, let me tell you the story. Well, it's not a story, like, basically, I was standing right here. I was looking right there, and then I hear this, right, like a rock, like a big rock, thrown at the window, and it was really loud. I think you guys can hear that from the video, but I don't know. It sounded like it hit that window, and then it hit the ground. Oh my gosh, dude! If that happened to you, you would obviously be scared to go outside. Like who was that? Maybe that was just like, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Did you guys hear that? I'm not joking. I heard a scratch against that window. Like a scratch. Dude, are you kidding me? Door lock, yes. I'm not going outside. I'll show you guys that another time. But, yeah. I'll quickly just show you guys the outside. I'm just scared, dude. So, yeah, that's my backyard. Yeah, that's where I put my shoes and everything. This is not my backyard. It's just like, you know, not really a backyard. That's my bike. If you can see, there's my grandpa's bike. Well, yeah, he can ride a bike if you're wondering. But, yeah. But, dude, actually, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to wrap up the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Yeah, whatever. And tell me if you heard that. Fuck no. Hell no. Holy shit. Fuck. Hell no. Hell no. Did you guys hear that? Holy shit. Oh my gosh.